So what about the evidence and the science when it comes to nutrition? This is a really exciting field. We have so much more research being done in terms of our gut and how a healthy gut translates to also a healthy kind of mind. And we know that if we feed our gut microbiome the right foods, that translates into not just physical health and well-being, but also to mental health and well-being. We feed our gut through having nice and varied kind of foods, and we can be adding little extra things to our meals to do that. Maybe just a handful of seeds, maybe some extra herbs, thinking about our kind of fresh fruit and vegetables. There are lots of easy ways of getting a little bit more variety into our diet, which makes our gut much healthier and happier. And again, that can help all sorts of things in terms of inflammatory illnesses, and also our kind of our mood and health and well-being. A SMILE study, which was run out of the Food and Mood Centre in Australia, showed really great research around the fact that if we eat well, actually we can not just prevent being unwell in terms of our kind of physical and mental health, but they used what we eat in order to improve and treat people who had depression. So we know that these kind of changes that we make are really valuable in terms of what our mental health needs. There's some other really great information out there in terms of just trying to avoid how much processing our foods go through. We want to go back to that kind of old way of being, where we're kind of cooking fresh food, not so much things that are coming out of packets, but actually really not having to make these things too complicated. Fresh foods that are cooked simply may be the way to make this work for you in terms of actually improving your physical and mental health.